Creations Misfit, and today I'm going to show you how to make some very quick and easy faux fur scrunchies. So what you'll need is an elastic. I like to use these thicker ones because I just feel like they're not ever going to break, no matter how much yarn I put around it. So, but you can choose any kind of elastic you'd like. And then you will need a 7mm crochet hook and a yarn needle to sew in your ends, and then some faux fur yarn. These that I made, I used Lion Brand's faux fur, and I love that brand. They have a lot of sales on this yarn all the time. They come in like packs of 3. Walmart sells them a lot, and you can get them pretty cheap, and you get a lot of scrunchies out of just one skein. But any faux fur yarn would work fine. So to get started, you are going to just tie your yarn around. I already tied mine on here, but just go ahead and tie your yarn in a knot around your elastic. Just make sure that it's nice and secure. Now, I'm sorry if you're not going to be able to see the stitches that well because this yarn is so fuzzy. I just kind of feel my way through, but it's really easy. It's just one stitch that we're going to be using, so it shouldn't be too difficult. So I just put my hook through here and grab the yarn and pull it up. And then we're going to be doing half double crochets. So if you're familiar with a half double crochet, it's just yarn over, and then you're going to go inside the circle. So we're just going to do half double crochets inside the circle. You go in, yarn over, and pull up a loop. And then you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Now, like I said, it's kind of hard to see the stitches, of course, but you should be able to just feel your way through. So that's it. We're just going to do half double crochets all the way around. You just keep going inside, pull through all 3. I do about, whoops, I don't think I got in that one. I do about 35, and that makes for a nice scrunchie that's full, but it's also not too full that it starts looking like too bunched up. But you can do as many as you'd like. You know, sometimes, I don't know, I don't usually count them all, but when I started learning, I started doing 35, and now I just kind of have a feel for it. So you could just keep going with that. So you do 35 all the way around, and come back and I will show you how to close off. I'm not quite done yet, but I wanted to show you that it may look like you've gotten to the end here and you're thinking, oh no, I only did 20 or something, but just kind of pull and open that part back up, and then you can get some more. And that way, when people put this around their hair, it doesn't show the rubber band too much once you start pulling it. So just go ahead and pull around and then just keep going. The reason I like 35 is and not like 50, I know some people do a lot more, is because it starts to change the shape after a while, and then it just looks too bundled up for me. That's just a personal preference. So I'm just coming up almost to the end here. I just kind of pull as I go along, and then there's a spot where it just kind of doesn't have as much resistance anymore. All right, and then when you get all of yours finished, you can just kind of feel for the top of that first stitch. It doesn't have to be exactly into the first. It's not a big deal. With this furry yarn, you're not going to be able to tell exactly, and it leaves a lot of room for error, which is nice for us. So you're just going to slip stitch into the top, pull through, and then you can cut your yarn. And then I just do a chain to secure it there. Now this is where I started, this is the end, and I just weave in the ends. I kind of go through some of the stitches one way and the other way, and then just finish it off. And that's it. And they make these really nice scrunchies. You can give them as gifts, sell them, use them for yourself. I've seen, actually a lot of adults have been purchasing these, but a lot of kids have been wearing them too. So I hope this was helpful. Please leave a comment below if you were helped or if you have any questions. And if you'd like to subscribe to the channel, that would be great. I'm going to be putting up a lot more videos coming up soon, and I have a lot on my channel already too. So if there's anything that you're looking for, please take a look through, and if there's anything you'd like me to do, please leave a comment below and I'd be happy to make a video for it. So thank you so much for visiting today. I hope you have a really great day.